Welcome all you rebels and traders to my new channel. Here to show you some trading strategies, thoughts, and ideas to help you with your journey to financial freedom. I just consider myself a financial activist, actively working towards my fiscal goals, and I want to help you too. Alright rebels and traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some sweet fresh new indicators to develop a strategy for you guys to make some money and be your own financial activists. So let's start this off. So log into your trading view. You want to go right up here to the top to your indicators. You want to go to the SSL, the hybrid right here, made by Mikel 00. Once that's loaded up on the screen, you'll see a lot of bells and whistles. So we're going to trim this down to make it a little more usable for us. We're going to keep all the data points the same here, with the exception of exit length, which you're going to put at 20. We're going to go to style. Next, then you're going to get rid of candle size, get rid of baseline, or no, get rid of SSL1, get rid of bar color, get rid of upper channel, get rid of lower channel, get rid of SSL, and get rid of plots, okay? We're going to keep the ATR because we're going to use it for stop loss. All right, now that we have this, you should be able to see these little arrows and the color of the midline there. The midline is a whole moving average. It's super sweet. Next up is indicator number 2, which is one of my favorites. It's the Heikin Ashi RSI oscillator, or I like to call it the HARSI. When you take a look at this, it is the RSI. You can see the yellow RSI band. It also includes this really sweet, smooth Heikin Ashi aspect of the RSI. It makes it super easy for newer traders to see what the RSI is doing, to see what the next step's going to be. As you can see, it's going from sold, oversold to finally to green and moving up a bit there. So we're going to make this indicator a little different as well. We're going to go through to the inputs, and we are going to get rid of the histogram. We don't need that. And that's about it. Everything else is Gucci there. Next up is my other favorite indicator, which is the RVGI, or the Relative Vigor Index. This indicator is super cool because what it does, it compares the closing price of the security or asset to its trading range. So it kind of gives you like a, hey, this is what's been happening recently to this asset. And guys, for this strategy, you can use it for forex, crypto, stocks. You can use it for any time frame, from daily all the way down to 1 minute. I prefer to use it for intraday trading. So we're looking at the range of 5, 15, 3 minutes, right? So here's the strategy in its entirety. So you're going to wait until you see the HARSI indicator come out. This is going to be for your short positions. It's going to, step 1 is going to make sure the RSI is coming out of an oversold position, okay? And then you're going to look for a red arrow, okay? We see a red arrow here, and importantly, the RVGI is red over green. When all 3 of these criteria are met, we can go ahead and place a sell order here. Right there at the bottom of that candle, at the bottom of this candle right here. We can put our stop loss at the ATR, and you can just ride this down. That's a 1-to-1 right there, and if you want to go to 1 to 0.5 to 1, you can take it right there, and you can see that this had zero problem and crushed it, right? And if you would have kept riding it down, which you could have, you can see that it does continue to make more profit. All right, so that's a sell position. All right, now guys, let's look at a buy signal, okay? So we see that the HARSI is oversold here, and it's going to come out of the oversold area. And then you're going to look for green candles, right? You're going to look for a buy signal straight from our SSL, and we're going to look for our RVGI to be green over red. And that hits right about here. We make our buy signal here. We hit it at the ATR as our stop loss. We set it to 1.5, and it hits the target without issue, right? That's great. This one could have been a runner as well. So it works as long as you're willing to keep your stop losses tight and your take profits tight. You can make money up and down as the market moves, right? So we'll continue to go along here, and you can look for different opportunities. Here's another buy position, guys. You can see that they're out of the oversold area here. We have a blue candle. It's green over red. We can see right here, we can take a position here. Right there. We go all the way to our ATR. We ride this up 1.5, and you can see this does meet the target as well, right? Right there. Cool, right? Up here, similarly, you can see the same thing. Coming out of overbought, We have a red arrow, we have red over green, and you can take our chart here, we can take our little chart here, and we go here, and you can see 1.5 easily hits as well. So I hope you guys like this video. My goal here is to kind of show you lots of different strategies so you guys can make money in the market. I did just get the Trader Edge for back testing. Haven't quite mastered it yet, so I'm still working out the details on that to try to give you guys some more percentage-based win and profit rates, so you can kind of see how these strategies play out. I'd love it if you could write something in the comments regarding what you thought about this, whether or not you think the market's going to be bearish or bullish in the upcoming week. So again, thank you so much for tuning in today, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much.